NameError, name self is not defined. Why such structure? Gives an error. NameError column name self is not defined.
Default argument values are evaluated at function define time, but self is an argument only available at function call time. Thus arguments in the argument list cannot refer each other. It's a common pattern to default an argument to none and add a test for that in code. Update 2022, Python developers are now considering late-bound argument defaults for future Python versions. For cases where you also wish to have the option of setting B to none.
A self-name error can also occur if you fail to define self inside a method signature. This error typically will appear as type error, as there will be a mismatch between expected and given arguments 1. However, if you accept a variable number of arguments, self will be arg0, and the variable self will be undefined. A minimal example. Greater than name error, name self is not defined. Correction. One, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.